is the sonic wall firewall, and this is the switch we are using. So in here we have connected, this is the management port which we have connected to our laptop. We have connected this device to the management port. Here we get the sonic wall UI, and this port X0 we have connected to the switch, and X2 we have connected to the DMZ. And now let's talk about the switch. In the switch, this is the previous connection. This is connected to the firewall, and these are the 4 VLAN configurations to the 4 fast Ethernet ports. First one is the network admin VLAN. The second one is lecturer VLAN, and this one is non-academic VLAN, and the last one is for the students.
This is our VLAN configuration. VLAN 10 for the name network admin, VLAN 20 for the name lectures, VLAN 30 for the name non-academic, and VLAN 40 for the name student, VLAN 50 for name DMZ. And here are the fast Ethernet configuration divided for that these VLANs. 01 for the network admin, 02 for the lectures, 03 for the non-academic, 04 for the student, and 05 for the DMS. Let's configure the sonic firewall. First of all, we need to set our lab IP address that can access the sonic wall. For that, we need to go to properties, and here we can set the IP address. We have already set up that IP address belonging to the sonic wall address range, so that we can access the sonic wall GUI. This is the GUI on sonic wall. Let's log in. Username is admin. Postcode. Name is admin name. Here is the sonic wall UI. Here we can see the VLAN we created in the switch assigned to the sub interfaces of the sonic walls. If you want another interface, we can add interfaces using this button, virtual interface, and then zone. We need to select the zone and VLAN type. After that, parent interface and IP. From this, we can add another virtual interface. Let's move to the policies. Let's talk about the policies.
So now let's see the policies. So here, if we want to add new rules, we can add using this one. So this is for a source interface. We can select zones, whichever students or lecturer, like that. And from this one, we have to select the destinations. And if we want to give address, we can select the addresses from here. Likewise, we can select the port also. And this is how we have to add the new rules. Now we will see. Here I select student zone, and all zones. Here we can see from students to network admin, students don't have access, and students to lecturer. First, lecturer had a printer in their network, so students cannot access printer in lecturer network, but student can access lecturers. So first we have to add the denied policy. After that, we have to add the access policies. And from students to non-academic staffs, they cannot access. Likewise, students have the policies. And next we will see lecturers. Now we will select lecturer. So if we see lecturers has access to network admin, and lecturer don't have access to non-academics, and lecturers have access to students. Then we will see network admin. So network admin have access to lecturers, students and non-academic staffs, and DMC also. So next we will see DMC. And see, these are the default roles, and here we add DMC don't have access to any of the zones. Now we will test the configurations by pinning the devices. So first we will ping the lecturers network, which is VLAN 10. As you can see, it is successful, we get a reply. And then let's ping the VLAN 20. Okay, now we will test the configurations of the firewall by pinging the devices in different networks. Now first we are in VLAN 10. This is the network admin VLAN. And first we will see whether we can ping the lecturer VLAN, which is in VLAN 20. As you can see, we get a reply and it is successful. And next we will move to the VLAN 30, which is the non-academic staff. Here the network admin should be able to ping to all the VLANs, and we can see that the reply is successful. And now let's move to VLAN 40, which is students. And from that also we get a reply. However, now let's ping the DMZ server. DMZ. So in the DMZ zone, we have configured it so that we can't ping from other networks.
Now we are in a non-academic VLAN, which is 30, and let's ping to the network admin, which is 192.168 10.101. Network in non-academic, the network admin should not be pinged, and as you can see, the request is timed out. And next, let's ping to the lecturers, and it should also be not pinged. Lecturers is 20. As you can see, the pinging is not successful, and the inner rule is correctly working. Okay, now let's ping to the students, which is in 40. As you can see, the non-academic can also ping to the students, and from that we can see the role is working correctly. And let's ping to the DMZ, which is in the 60 VLAN. And okay, you can see the request timeout, and all rules are working correctly for the non-academic.
So now we are in the lecturer VLAN. So now we will try to ping with other VLAN. So first we will see connect with admin VLAN. So admin VLAN number is 10. So let's try. So here pinging is successful. So the rule is correctly working. So next we will try to ping non-academic. So the VLAN is 30. So we got timeout. So it's not ping with non-academic. So the rule is correctly working. So next we will ping with students. So lecturer is now ping with students. So the rule is correctly working. So last one is BMC. So we got timer. So
as we explained in the configuration, we set up the printer in the lectures VLAN, and in here we could not ping to the lectures VLAN, and let's try to ping the printer which is within the lectures VLAN. It is in 20 and 1. So you can see, even if it is in the lecturers VLAN, we can still ping from the non-academic VLAN, which is rule is correct. Here is our DMZ, and we have a running backend server which is on the port 330 and 00 port. Let's try to ping this from the non-academic as a curl request. Here is the curl request sent to the DMZ server. Let's try to send a curl request to the DMZ from the non-academic VLAN.